Hey folks, welcome back to Wolverine Gaming. So in today's video, we're gonna discuss about bullet loot or bullseye loot in the hot deals event. You can see bullseye loot event is going on here, and if you go to the ammo bonanza, you're gonna get these bullet to play the game. And go to the ammo bonanza, just complete these small tasks like make 5 alliance donations, complete one radar task, train 300 units, or you can buy pack from store like any uh, pack, and you can get 6 bullets for that. And the free ones are like 12, you're gonna get that. So you can go to the bullseye loot after claiming that. So this is a very simple event actually. So you just need to tap to select a reward. So you're gonna tap on it, and you have to select, or you have to make a choice of your own. Like I'm gonna make ores a choice. If you want dielectric ceramics, you can go for dielectric ceramics, but right now I'm gonna go with this. So I'm gonna set as default right now and get back. And then if you start to play the game, you just have to tap on any of these circles, and if you are lucky, you'll get in first try or third, fourth, maybe fifth. So we got 12 bullets per day, and it will be around 5 days, so you can get around 60 bullets, and you'll have chance to win 2.5k ores, and plus on milestones you're gonna get these benefits and rewards. Okay, so let's start. So I'm gonna start with this, then uh, this this and this. So you can see on my sixth try I got 2.5k ores, and the game will restart from that. And if you go to the reward section, you can claim all the loot you got in this event. Okay, so you can see we got some dielectric 2, some speed ups and gold chest, and the our choice reward. So we're gonna get claim, and you can see items used for that to claim. So let's start again. You can start again and again if you have bullets left. Okay, so let's see if we can get into 3 bullets. You just have to hit the target. So you can see I didn't get 2.5k ores in this round, but I can wait for tomorrow, and after I got 12 free bullets, I can go for like all the rest, and I will be lucky after that. You can also buy like custom weekly passes for to have that bullets. There is bullet eyes, and you can add bullets from here. Like go to the plus button, then go to the purchase, like 499, 999 in Indian rupees. This will be about $4.99 or maybe less than that. So find your own country money and purchase. So you can see we can purchase around 120 bullets from 999.00, and there are lots of packs you can purchase and play this game. In this you gonna get extra benefits like diamonds, VIP points and all. So this is the event, as simple as that. You're gonna play every day till the event ends, and you can have like lots of rewards for free. And if you find this content helpful guys, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.